Let's dive right into this explainer and master creating your very first invoice in Zoho Books.
Finished the work, but forgot the invoice? That's literally like cooking a feast and forgetting to serve it.
So what is an invoice anyway? It's basically your business's official payment request letter to a customer.
It all boils down to this, clearly stating what you delivered and exactly what they owe you.
Let's break this down into a super quick 5-step setup process right inside Zoho Books.
Step 1, navigate to Sales, then Invoices, and just click Plus New Invoice to kick things off. Step 2, pick your customer, because no customer definitely means no invoice.
Step 3, add your offerings. You got to include the item name, the quantity, and your rate.
For instance, we'll input 1 unit of accounting services at a cool 10,000 rupees.
Step 4, double-check those GST details. Verify the rate, place of supply, and the tax calculation. And here's the magic. Zoho automatically calculates GST, finally giving your calculator a well-deserved coffee break.
Finally, step 5, click Save and Send. Boom! Your invoice is professionally delivered in under 2 minutes.
Let's check that final math, a 10,000 rupee service value plus an 18% GST.
That brings the grand total your customer pays to exactly 11,800 rupees.
Remember, no invoice means zero revenue. So, are you ready to